いやでもすごい。
気になってたこと、some people actually within our EN members, we saw some pictures of Yagoo, and we were like, is he okay? Like, is he eating fine? Because he's so thin. Everybody's like worried.
So you mean the anime expo, right?
Yeah, like all the pictures we see recently of Yagoo, he's so thin. He lost so much weight. We're very concerned.
No. He wants to keep his fit. Don't worry. He wants to. And I've heard he runs every morning. Every morning.
I know. He told me in Holo Talk.
Right?
Yeah.
I see. And he has been learning every morning for a long time. Maybe your last whole talk with Yagoo. When do you remember?
Last year. I don't know
last
when,
year.
but long time ago. So yeah,
Yeah, long time, right?
I told the girls, I told them like, oh, but he works out. He goes running every day, but still, he looks so thin. Do you ever go eating with Yagoo? Do you go out to eat?
I've heard he その前にそういえば私名乗ってない
大丈夫、えいちゃんってみんな分かってる。Everybody knows.
Hi, I'm A-chan who lives up and speaking of which, Yagoo, I've heard he only eats salad or chicken, not you, but chicken or very healthy foods to keep fit. But I don't know why he wants to lose weight because he looks very thin, right? Already.
Yeah.
でも言ってましたそうだ。ちょっと健康になろうと思ってエクササイズしたら痩せすぎたって。
Wow. He said apparently he just wanted to lose weight, but then, when he tried, he accidentally lost a little bit too much weight.
Yeah, right. So maybe he wants to gain a little bit weight, I think. Now he's thinking.
But, I don't know if he will ever hear this, but Yagoo-san, 心配してます。ちゃんとご飯食べてください。ちょっと痩せすぎじゃないかなってみんな心配してました。
Okay, let him know your concern, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.